Little birds are chirping, they're crying for their mom. They're feeling so hungry, tell me when will she come? She's flying away in the ray of the sun, but she always comes back, 'cause she's their mom. They're feeling so hungry, in need for some food. When mommy comes back, she will make them feel good. Their mouth is wide open, they are craving for more. She feeds them with love like never before. But one day in time, they will fly on their own. While mom drifts away, they will make their new home. And out from the sky, she will gaze at their nest, thinking of how she adores them the best. The cuckoo's a pretty bird, she sings as she flies. She brings us good tidings and she tells us no lies. She sucks on white flowers to make her voice clear. She never sings cool till the spring of the year. Little girls are jumping, they're crying for their mom. They are feeling so hungry, but they know she will come.